Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk through a super useful process, how to connect a Wix media gallery to a data collection. By the end of this video, you'll know how to dynamically display images from your database, meaning you can easily update or manage gallery content across your site. Whether you're showcasing products, portfolio pieces, or foodie snaps, this tutorial will upgrade your Wix skills big time. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Wix web design dashboard. This is where we'll be working to build our gallery section. If you're following along, make sure you're in the editor mode of the Wix website you want to update. Now, on the page, I've already added a section where the gallery will go. If you haven't yet, you can do this by clicking the Add Section button, usually found on the left sidebar. Think of this as laying out a new canvas for your images. Next, let's get our gallery set up. Click on Add Elements. You'll see this in the left sidebar too. Scroll down until you find Gallery, and here's the fun part. Wix offers all kinds of gallery templates, from grids to sliders, so you can pick whatever fits your style or needs. Maybe you're adding a simple row gallery, or you want a fancy mosaic. Choose any template that appeals to you. Remember, you can always change the design later if it doesn't feel quite right, so don't stress too much about picking the perfect one at this stage. Alright, now comes the part that really brings everything together, linking your gallery to a data collection. This step is what lets your gallery pull images and content directly from your site's database, making future updates much simpler and more dynamic. To do this, look to the bottom of the menu bar on the left. Find and click on CMS. That stands for Content Management System. Then, select Add to Site to enable it. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. Wix is just setting up all the background tools you'll need for managing your data. Next up, in your collection area, we need to create a new data set, or as Wix calls it, a collection. For this tutorial, let's make an AI-generated collection, which is a great way to automatically populate your gallery with sample items. Click through the steps to generate the collection. Wix might suggest adding some preset fields, but for now, just go with the defaults to keep things simple. Once the collection is generated, you don't need to dig into it right away. Close the collection window and head back over to your gallery section. Now, this is where the magic happens. Click on your gallery and look for the Connect to CMS button. Usually it shows up as a little chain link icon. Once you open that menu, you'll need to add a data set. Here's where you'll select the collection you just created. This links your gallery to those images in your database, so content updates can happen automatically in the future. Once you've chosen your collection, click Create. There's a brief setup phase. Don't worry if there's a loading message. Once that's done, for this sample, since we're just working with images and not text, focus on linking the image source. Click where it says Image Source and pick the field with your food image, for example. If you ever need to display additional details like captions or titles, you'll use the text fields here, but for now, images are all we need. And that's it. Your Wix Media Gallery is now fully connected to your own data collection. Whenever you add or update images in that collection, they'll show up here, making future edits super efficient and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any issues as you set up your own gallery, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Wix tutorials. We've got plenty more tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.